everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and I wanted to do a quick impromptu potato harvest because I noticed that this pot of potatoes has gone dormant. So this is just a small ornamental container filled exclusively with Soil Cube organic compost. And to harvest, I'm just gonna kind of dump it out onto this bed edge so that I can replant in the compost here in the ground. Oh, pretty heavy. Whoa, look at all the potatoes. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's a whole bunch of potatoes here. And there's some great baby potatoes that I'll be able to save and replant. So I'm gonna put those in their own pile. I swear, growing potatoes is one of the most satisfying things that you can do as a gardener. No matter how much space you have, you can just literally fill a pot with compost, put some potatoes that have started sprouting from your countertop in it, and poof, a few months later, you will have potatoes to harvest. So let's uncover these. Oh my gosh. There's so many. This is so awesome. I usually grow my potatoes in the ground, but honestly, after this reveal, I think I might be a convert. I might start growing my potatoes in containers more often because this is really satisfying. And I don't remember exactly how many I planted in here. I probably planted like 2 pieces. I feel like for a pot this size, I think 2 sprouts would have been what I would have planted. So to show you, go ahead and plant that little one. I'm going to spread that compost out and it'll be ready to be planted in. And I have all these potatoes. I'll be able to bring these inside and make mashed potatoes for dinner. Excellent.